Hi, so in this video I'm going to do something that I wasn't planning on doing, but now I kind of have to because I just found out a couple of days ago that my MacBook's battery started to swell, and now, as you can probably see, it doesn't I can't close it properly, and yeah, there's basically a problem there. So today I'm gonna be replacing that battery, and I decided to just like make a video since I'm gonna be doing it anyway. And so yeah, there's that. Like I ordered this battery, and so what I got in the box is a set of like battery itself and two screwdrivers. And yeah, this is basically it. So that's what I'm going to be installing today. I'm going to set this aside somewhere, like over here, for example. And so I just also wanted to mention that a good video that I found that shows you how to like open up your MacBook. And this, I was actually quite fortunate because it was a video that showed how to do it on my exact model. So this video is really good. And yeah, like go ahead and watch it if you want to see like uh, see how like a MacBook Air can be disassembled. Uh, yeah, like this is like a screen replacement, but like in the beginning of the video, I only watched the first few minutes where he just opens it up and removes the battery. So that's very helpful to just see it ahead of time before you do it yourself. And I thought I'd just mention this. It's a good video, although I haven't watched the entirety of it, but the beginning was really helpful. So there's that. But now let me just go ahead and start with opening up my MacBook. So I'll turn it around. And there's two screwdrivers, one to unscrew the bottom lid, and the other one is to remove the battery. So I'm not sure which one is which, but yeah, I think this one is the right one. So in that video, he recommends like remembering the order of the screws. So I'm actually going to put them over here in the same pattern that I removed them, so that it is, so that I could put them back in right as they were, because apparently those screws can be like different lengths, and you might not be able to, like, it might get hard to find the right one if you mix them up. So I'll just, yeah, like this one is longer. It's very long actually compared to the other ones. So yeah, so that I don't like spend a ton of time figuring out which screws go where, I'll just put them right here. I bet there's gonna be a lot of dust inside when I open it. And yeah, there's quite a bit of dust. But yeah, so let me first, I guess, try and clean up the dust. So in that video, he says basically to pull up this connector. And let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's disconnected. now he says that you should. I'm not sure if this is really necessary in my case, but he says so. Like he recommends doing that. He then says that um, that's like if you disconnect the video card, you might damage. Like if there is still some charge left, you might damage the laptop. So I'm gonna do it anyway. Like he says, at least 15 seconds. Okay, that was more than 15 seconds, so I think it should be fine. So now let's unscrew the battery, which I guess is like these screws. Okay. Oh man, I messed up my my screws over here, but there's only like two of them that are longer, and they were these two. The rest of them are the same. So yeah, probably wasn't a good idea to put them over there, but it's fine. In this case, like these two are longer, and these bottom two are shorter. Oh, there's also one in the center. Okay. So as you can see, it's pretty swollen. Like, so yeah, this is really bad. Okay, let me set this aside. Okay, so let's take the new battery and put it in place, and then screw all the screws back in. Okay, so then I need to connect this thing back, I guess, like this. Okay, this feels okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it back up. And try to turn it on. Hopefully everything will be fine. Okay, this should be fine, so fingers crossed. Really don't know what's gonna happen now, but here's the power cable connecting it. I have the LED covered because I don't like the light that is coming off of it. It's sort of like, yeah. But there we go, it already turned on by itself without me pressing any buttons or anything. So, I mean, it looks like it's working. Yeah, looks okay. Okay, so we booted up, no problem. Shows 26% charge right now. So, yeah, I don't know if we can show that really. Yeah, I can't quite fit the screen right now into the frame, but it shows 27% charging, and it looks like it went well. So this is basically it. I just wanted to record a quick video to share the process of me replacing this battery, and this is it. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next video.